saw that. I lost like £3. But I want to listen to the other ones too. So those were under installations, I believe. Other. I know I'm wasting money, but it has to be done. And I'll press them all, see what they sound like. So we already did the blue one. There's one here. What else we got? Any more? That's all the doorbells, I believe. Well, that sucks. They all sound exactly the same. Keep them all. Fine. They can stay in the wall. I guess I'll buy this one back again. There we go. A collection of doorbells. That's a disappointment.